Hi and welcome back to the BotBlitzers channel. In today's video we will be looking at how you can integrate Google Sheets into your own AI chatbot with BotBlitzers. Okay, so first of all we need to have a Google Sheet spreadsheet with data in it. For this example I'll be showing you a demo of a list of AI tools and websites which I made a couple of years ago in Google Sheets, and here it is. It has just under 3,000 rows, so I'll show you. It goes up to 2,916 and it has 6 columns. So if I drag this along, there you go, and also includes screenshots. So when a user asks a question about any of the AI tools, it will provide a screenshot. So I'll demonstrate that a bit later. Okay, so if you're not signed up already, all you need to do is go to the BotBlitzers website, which I'll put a link in the description below. Scroll all the way down to free trial and just click on free trial. Now you're signed up, we can create our chatbot. Alright, so first of all we go to new chatbot, and we can provide any of the data sources, but for this example we're going to do Google Sheets. So we'll just click on Google Sheets. Just something to note, you can also add in multiple data sources with your Google Sheets. So you could scrape websites, add files, and have that all integrated together. But also note that if you have too many different types of data, the AI can get confused, so you need to make sure it's all relevant and related. Okay, so first of all, there are some instructions to follow. You can't just upload your own Google Sheets. You have to use this example template to follow. So what we need to do is, as it says here, create your own Google Sheets URL by make a copy of the template Google Sheets. So if we open the example template, now what we need to do is make a copy of this template. So if we go to File, make a copy, just call it AI Tools and Websites template, and go to make a copy, and that will open it up. So we'll close the other one down. Okay, so first thing to note is you can actually have multiple spreadsheets under one Google Sheets URL. So you can have all kinds of data, which would be really good for like e-commerce and real estate, or a car business. So but for this demonstration we're going to just create an example template. We're going to use the AI tools and websites, so we can delete some of these at the bottom here. So I'll just go through and delete these, and there's some example data to give you some ideas. This is the one we really need, and I'll just delete that. Okay, so you might realize on row number 1 it says fixed column, do not change the column header. So this bit up here that I'm highlighting, do not touch that, as the Google Sheet won't work. So as we come down here we can customize anything you want now. So what we're going to do is grab all this data here. So in fact I'm just going to Control A and copy, and then I'm just going to paste that here. So it might take a few seconds. Okay, so this needs tidying up a little bit. I'm going to quickly do that and then I'll be back. Okay, so now we've got all our column headers in here, and they're all on row 2. And then if we go down, we've got all of our rows. So now we can really put this to the test. Okay, so what we need to do is grab the URL. So first of all we need to go to share and take off restricted and put anyone with the link, and you now press copy link. And what we need to do is go back to our data sources, And there's a few instructions here, but we've just done that. And we need to paste in our Google Sheets URL just here. And all you need to do is click Create Chatbot. Okay, so the time it takes to create a chatbot using Google Sheets would depend on how many rows you have. Obviously for this we had 3,000, so it could take anywhere up to half an hour or 1 hour, but you'll be amazed at how accurate the data is. I also just want to note that the reason Google Sheets is perfect for the AI to analyze and read the data is because it's a structured format. So it goes through each row and can easily identify the data by rows and columns. Okay, we can go ahead and customize a few things, which I'll show you some of the models that you can use. This by default is using GPT-4o mini, so it'd be that's going to provide really accurate data, sorry. But also you can use GPT 3.5, but GPT-4 0 mini is cheaper than GPT 3.5 turbo, so it's just worth using that. So let's go back to our AI tools and websites and do a test. So if we do, let's say, change style AI. So if I go back to here and type in tell me about change style AI, and we'll see what it spits back. So it might, okay. Oh, it's got a lead form, but no, here you go. Change style AI uses artificial intelligence to create fun, amazing new styles for your pictures, and it's got a link here. And as you can see, it's provided a screenshot. So if we click this link, and if it's valid, it will take us to the page. And judging by the looks of it, this page doesn't exist anymore. So it wasn't the best example, but let's try another. Okay, let's try another example. So for this one, we'll try Mighty GPT. So let's put in I need to click in the box. Tell me about Mighty GPT. Enter. See what we get. Okay, so there we go. Mighty GPT is a GPT-3 based chatbot designed to enhance productivity. So it's given us the link as well. So if we click there, and there we go. There it is. So that's pretty cool. We can even ask the AI to display multiple rows of data. So if we add in here, let's just say Lens AI. So copy that. So tell me about Lens AI. And then let's try Purple Wave, and one more. Let's go back up again, and voila, that's a good tool. And voila, let's see what we get. Okay, and look at that, a nice format. So we've got Lens AI first and a screenshot, then we got Purple Wave, and then we got voila, and that looks pretty accurate to me. And if you don't want the screenshot to show, you can just add it in the prompt template. What I've put in is when asked a question, provide the URL screenshot. If a question relating to the AI tool and website is relating to that tool and website again, do not provide the URL screenshot for the same AI tool. Do not repeat. And this seems to work really well. So with Google Sheets as a data source, you can imagine there's endless possibilities and use cases, especially with the images being uploaded as well. So that'd be really good for real estate or e-commerce products. And you can do all kinds of things. You can change the look of your chatbot. I have gone over all of this in another video. You can see all your chat logs, grab leads, appointments. You can add extra data sources, which kind of leads me on to Google Sheets. So there is a few more things you can actually do in Google Sheets. So let's go through them. So if you go to Google Sheets, Okay, so BotBlitzers has a really cool feature. If you go to Google Sheets settings, you can actually enable your Google Sheets document to be updated um, automatically on the following. So you can have it updated every 12 hours, daily, uh, weekly, or monthly, and you'll just click 12 hours, let's say. And it says the plan has been saved successfully, and you'll be notified by your email address when it's over, which basically means once the AI has um, analyzed all the data again, you'll get an email saying that it's done. You don't have to do anything about it. You can just manually update your Google spreadsheet, and the AI will train for and analyze for new data. So there's also an easy way to edit each row. So for instance, you've got all the header columns up here. So if we go to edit, and basically you'll be able to manually change this without even having to do it from a Google Sheets spreadsheet, which is really good. And as you can see, you can also delete ones that you don't need. And there's 243 pages here, so for 2,900 tools it's quite a lot. And the last one is fill URL and retrain. So if you just changed a few of these rows and columns, you can't wait 12 hours or however long, you just click fill URL and retrain, and it will retrain and analyze all that data. And there's a little warning message here, and it could take up to, once again, half an hour or an hour depending on what you've done. And we also have integrations such as Google SMS, which is in the United States only. You've got Twilio, and there is guides to follow to set this up. We've got Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp both run through Twilio, so there are instructions on how to set that up. Okay, so that's basically how you set up your AI chatbot to be integrated with Google Sheets. If you need more tutorials, you can go to our website and click tutorials, and there's a load of videos here. Or you can go to our YouTube channel where you can watch them as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're updated with the latest videos. And if you're looking for a good deal, we're offering on our current deal 25% off a monthly subscription plus one extra chatbot for first time buyers. So if you fill out this form, which I'll put a link in the description below, it's also on our website, then you will receive that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.